Cupcake is probably the most common dessert of all time. And it's pretty easy, right? It's just a cake in form of a cup. I asked myself, how much lemon flavor can I pack in one cupcake? Let's find out. Before we start, this recipe yields 8 cupcakes. You can find all the ingredients in the video description, right under the like button. Click it. Have you clicked it? Alright, so we want these to pack a big lemon flavor punch, so let's start by zesting 2 medium-sized lemons. Then cut and juice one of the lemons and make sure to leave the second lemon to hang around on the table for no apparent reason. Next up, start with a quarter cup or 60 grams of softened butter. You can heat it up a bit in the microwave if you forgot to take it out on time, but keep an eye on it. Mine got a bit too melty. Add it in a large bowl along with half a cup or 100 grams of sugar and using a hand mixer proceed to cream it. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and about 80% of the zest. We'll use the rest for topping. Next add 1 large whole egg. Mix to incorporate it completely. Then add the second egg. In a separate bowl, combine 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Whisk them together and while the hand mixer is running, add half of the flour mix. Let it get mixed in and then add the remaining flour. Now add 4 tablespoons or 75 grams of Greek yogurt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it one final mix and we're ready to add them in the pan. Place your liners and I suggest using an ice cream scoop for easier batter distribution. Then add 4 blueberries in each cupcake by first gently placing them on top. Then push them inside just enough to cover them with the batter. Place them in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius for 30 minutes. While they're baking, let's continue our quest for maximum lemon flavor by preparing the lemon syrup. In a heat-resistant dish, add 4 tablespoons or 50 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it up a bit, then heat it in the microwave for the sugar to dissolve for about 90 seconds. When the cupcakes are done, take them out, poke holes in them with a toothpick and spoon on top of them all the syrup divided equally. Do this immediately after taking them out as it allows for best absorption. Transfer them on a cooling rack and let's move on to our final lemon flavoring element, the icing. In a bowl, add 100 grams of icing sugar and the remaining lemon juice. Add it 1 tablespoon at a time and mix. And be careful not to make it too liquid. I ended up using 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of juice. This is the consistency we're looking for. Spoon it on top of the cupcakes and make sure you have something under the cooling rack. After that, crown your cupcakes with 1 blueberry each and the lemon zest we reserved earlier. These are truly the ultimate lemon flavored cupcakes with a contrasting blueberry twist in both flavor and color. Let's see how they look inside. Looking moist and right on the money for flavor. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.